Hello folks, this is Dominic here. Today I'm gonna show you a new things. I just want to start with a story. Mr. Tiger purchased a thermometer about 2 or 3 weeks ago because we need to go back for work. Then we need to get your temperature every day. To know if you got fever. If you got fever, you should be isolated. And then he purchased that thermometer used for about 1 week and broken. And then he found another one. Another one used about 2 weeks, broke again. So the quality is so poor. So at last he purchased this. The thermometer is not very cheap. It's about 500 RMB. Then he purchased a telephone. The telephone can get your temperature. Yeah. This part is the thermometer. And guess how much is this telephone? It's about the same price with the thermometer. It's about it's 600 RMB. You see this big eye, the fish eye, right? It's the VI camera. It's great. You see. And this part is get your temperature. I will test that. See this. I
请将
will.
手机测温孔对准，并尽量贴近额头，保持稳定。检测即将开始，检测结束，您的体温正常。
See that? The girl said my temperature is normal. You see the date. It's great. I will check it again for you. You guys, this button.
检测结束，您的体温正常。
See that? It's normal. I close out. I don't need touch my skin. And then I will test this VI camera to you guys. It's a great one, I'm so surprised. It's the price. You see, this is the real one. It's a real VR camera. You see that? When you finish this video, I'm gonna show you a video I take by this. You see this guy named Gang. Yeah. Okay, see that. And the price is 600. Okay, I'm gonna show you some video later. Goodbye. You see. Almost broken, but Mr. Tiger will not know this. Okay, don't tell him. Goodbye.